Hey, here's Silver Cloud coming on in.
Hey man, blow the horn! Blow the horn! Blow the horn! Woo-hoo! That's it!
Woo-hoo!
There you go. Set yourself on fire, man! Oh, yeah.
Here, I've got my curve here. There they are coming in. Oh, stand up for my camera.
Under one step back.
People have a lot of rules for you, huh? Even me. Don't stand up for my camera, man. That's an older style smoker, yeah. 70-odd days, right? What are we up to now?
Come on, Angels! Go! Go, Angels!
There are the girls right there on the boat. Coming on in, coming on in.
I was about to say. Yeah, it's been really well.
Yeah.
There's a lot further than shore.
Woo! Walk it.
Get a fire extinguisher! Oh, it's a mow, eh?
Come on, girls! Woo! Come on, girls! Come on,
Yeah,
I want to go out.
Okay, here we go. Here.
Sorry, this is me, but you love me for Antigua?
Some of the right people are here.
Oh, okay.
Right here, darling.
Having a little difficulty standing here.
You're standing right there last time. Yeah, I want my baby. Come here, girl. Give me a hug.
Champagne for everyone.
I'm not showing that
Sorry. Watch those first couple steps.
Sarah.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Ready? Oh my God, I can't believe you're here. can't believe you're here.
You're
Big Dr. Billy.
Oh,